Common Law Admission Test or CLAT is a national law entrance exam conducted by the Consortium of National Law Universities for admission in 22 national law universities for undergraduate and postgraduate law program. It is the most prestigious exam for students aspiring to study law from the best universities across the country. Its application started on 1st January 2021 and the last date to submit the application form is on 31st March 2021. The date of exam is 13th June 2021. While there is no age limit for UG courses, one must pass qualifying examination by March or April 2021. The application fees for general and other categories are Rs 4,000, while for SC and ST it's Rs 3,500. CLAT syllabus consists of 5 sections, namely English, GK and current affairs, logical reasoning, legal aptitude, and quantitative techniques. To know more about this, please visit our website clearexam.ac.in. CLAT 2021 will be conducted in online mode with new test centers to be issued to candidates. The candidates need to be aware that for the CLAT exam preparation, they need to have knowledge of the pattern of CLAT entrance exam. CLAT sample question paper are designed to aid students in preparing for their exams. Solving CLAT sample paper is a good way to know about the areas in which you are weak, and it will also point out the areas which are still left untouched and some areas which only need revision before exam so that students can invest their time in more on weak areas. One should also solve CLAT model papers which comes with solution PDF. To find CLAT sample paper and CLAT model paper, you can visit our website or link here. One can also find UG CLAT sample question paper 2021 available on the official website of NLU's consortium at https://consortiumofnlus.ac.in. Solving CLAT sample question paper will help the aspirants in boosting their confidence. It will help in getting familiarized with the difficulty of questions asked. It will also help in getting the knowledge of weightage of each question. CLAT sample question paper acts as an excellent resource for preparation of CLAT. While preparing for CLAT, it is necessary to have an effective study plan. One must put an extra effort on weaker areas. Therefore, it is very important to attempt all CLAT sample paper organized by online coaching institutions, as it will help aspirants to try and find out areas in which they are weak. One need to solve previous year paper since it's the best way to map one's preparation. It will help in giving the idea of the areas in which you have to work more and also help in improving the time management skills. At the same time, one should always take small breaks. One cannot go on and on studying without taking breaks. It is not good for physical as well as mental health, as it will continue to deteriorate if you don't take breaks. And lastly, be positive with your attitude. A positive attitude always leads to a positive outcome. To know more about CLAT 2021 and to find more interesting content like this, do visit our website clearexam.ac.in. Thank you.